you.
Hi everyone, it's Meenu and today I will be giving you a step-by-step tutorial on how to apply hair extensions. And this is my natural hair length. First step is comb your hair nicely.
I saw her standing in the street alone.
And straight or curl your hair, I prefer straightening hair. And I'm straightening my hair.
Wished I'd had a number so I could be color unknown. And then I tell her to look into my eyes and never let it go.
And the hair extensions I'm using is this hair, which is 10 inches and in shade number 2. These are not human hair, but I prefer if you use because you can curl them, color them and do all kind of stuff. I will be using 2 packs of these. It comes with 5 clips, and as you can see, you just have to pop the clip on and tuck your hair and close the clip.
I was about to open her a door.
It's very simple and easy to use, and it matches my hair perfectly.
Was waiting for. He had no flowers in his hands and no time to say hello. Kissed her slow.
I'm going to start the application, so first I'm gonna section off my hair, making a very clean horizontal part across my scalp and below my ear tip. And grab my hair extension and I'm just lock it into the roots. There are so many different options comes along with hair extension. Some of them comes with a bundle in which you have different sections like 3 clips or 2 clips, and some of them comes with a large section according to your need.
I'm so in love with you. I'm so in love with you. Love is dead. I'm so in love with you. I'm so in love
I made another horizontal part above the previous one, and I'm just clipping the hair extension. And here is also a really good tip: if you want the clipping to really stay on, you can also tease the roots of your hair.
I'm so in love with you.
Now I'm just gonna let go of my real hair and style it and show you guys how natural and beautiful it looks. Now I can brush it as it's my real hair. And as you can see the instant volume of my hair. And you are done. It's super easy and takes about 5 minutes and gives you instant volume and length. You can also make ponytail and style it according to your need. So this is it guys. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know if you find this video helpful in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.